Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to use the interactive fill tool, or the blend tool. Sorry, the interactive fill tool would do this. I just thought about that. But he's trying to use the blend tool with his arrow. So let's just draw an arrow. I've already done it for him just to make sure I knew what I was talking about. Now, for surely, go up to object and convert it to a curve. That just changes a couple of things. And I'm going to use the same colors I did before. So I'm going to take a yellow and I'm going to take away the outline. I'm going to hit the plus key and move it over at least the distance that is open, and I'm going to hit red. Now I'm going to take my two colors and go up to object. This is exactly what he did, blend. And I'm going to blend them 300 times. Okay. And he goes, well, I put the arrow and put it on top, like you say, but it can't intersect. Well, it can't intersect because of the fact that this is a blend on layer one. Some things you just can't do. So what you have to do is select it all, go up to object, break the blend apart. Now there's still a group in here. So I always select it all, go up to object, group, and ungroup all. And now you look, we have 302 objects, the 300 that we blended and the 2 we started with. Then go to object and group. Now it's just a group of 302 objects. And now you can use the intersect tool and get that effect. That's a pretty cool, I would have never thought about putting a blend inside of a shape. But you could do probably the same thing. Well, let's just see, we're close. Let's make this thing yellow. Let's take away the outline. When I actually said interactive fill tool, I was mistaken, but go here and then put red on this end. Kind of the same thing and really more controllable. You could put a little more yellow, a little more red. You have more control over it with the interactive fill tool. So I'm actually glad I had that speech problem or head problem thinking about how, well, this is done with a blend and this was done with the interactive fill tool. Can't really tell them apart. So, but I solved this problem regardless. So hopefully there's a couple of things that you cannot do that with, like the shadow tool or the contour tool sometimes, until you change it. The blend is just a different type animal. Anyway, I hope that answered his question. It helped somebody someday, and thank you for watching.